Hi, everyone. I am Francisca Alonso, the CEO of AV Architects Plus Builders, and I'm here today with David Benson, president of Architessa, one of the largest family-owned hard surface distribution companies on the East Coast. And today, we're going to discuss the top flooring trends in 2024. Welcome, David.
Thanks for having me, Francisca. Flooring trends have been incredibly exciting this year, and I can't wait to share what's been making waves in the industry.
To start, what have been some of the key flooring trends you have seen this year?
We're seeing a trend in lighter colors and warmer tones in the wood flooring category. When it comes to other flooring materials, we're also seeing a desire for patterns, but in warmer tones as well.
We've definitely seen a lot of interest in those looks from our clients, and we love to incorporate those warmer tones to make homes that are modern but cozy. Moving on to our next question, were there any advancements in flooring materials or technologies in 2024?
There haven't been too many groundbreaking materials in the flooring industry this year, but I do want to mention the continued improvements in SPC Vinyl Flooring. SPC stands for Stone Polymer Core, and there are three things that make this product special. It's highly water resistant, it costs less than $5 a square foot typically, and the labor costs to install it tend to be more affordable as well.
Moving on to some of the new looks we've been seeing, how is flooring adapted to different styles and aesthetics?
So wood and LVP flooring have adapted over time, including patterns, chevrons, wider planks, and even longer planks.
Right.
All of these modifications give these products an opportunity to be used in more spaces.
Right.
And additionally, the wide range of colors that are available now from printing on a specific film helps provide better options for consumers, and you can even print a photo of whatever photo you want on an LVP.
Wow, now that's truly custom.
Yeah.
Next, what are the most durable flooring options available that you see people opting to use in their homes?
Porcelain tile flooring is currently the most durable flooring option available in the market.
My favorite.
Your favorite? While not everyone can afford this product category, it is important to know that investing in a product that has a longer life cycle can make a big difference in the long run.
Also, it takes the wear and tear. If you have dogs, if you have kids, if you have a very busy, lifestyle, you cannot destruct porcelain tile.
Not at all. You drop as much as you want.
Exactly. That's one of my favorite parts. Well worth the additional investment.
With natural wood, it can be damaged, but then cleaned and refinished with the same product, where with an LVP, you're not able to do that.
Right. That's something definitely to keep in mind when you're choosing flooring for your whole house. Right. And you have to consider your lifestyle, how that's going to wear and tear. But for somebody who isn't looking to invest as much in their flooring, what budget-friendly options should homeowners consider?
Within the flooring market, engineered woods have generally maintained their pricing range from about $4 a square foot up to $12 a square foot or even more. Whereas LVP luxury vinyl products do continue to be the most affordable from about $2 a square foot up to $6 a square foot.
In addition, I think that it's important to mention also labor. There's a lot more labor cost associated to hardwood and engineered when you're coming back for staining and sanding and refinishing. Right. Whereas with LVP, done one time, one trip, all installed, you don't need to come back.
Exactly. The cost of the material is not everything, and it's not the only factor to consider. You also need to consider the price of labor, the lifespan, and the maintenance of whatever material you're using.
Absolutely. So once our clients have selected their flooring, how can they best take care of it?
Care can vary greatly from material to material, and we have tons of information on care and maintenance for many products on our website at architessa.com. All you have to do is type care in the search bar, and you'll see the care and maintenance page come up. We'll also drop a link in the description below.
That sounds like a helpful resource. To wrap things up, what home flooring option excited you the most in 2024 and why?
Well, looking back at 2024, one of my favorite products is one we recently launched called Fulton. It's about a 7.5-inch wide plank with a brushed finish on the surface. Nice and soft, And it's just so amazing to have the wider plank options available to help open up your space.
Wonderful. David, it's been great hearing about these amazing trends. What's the best way for people to get in touch with you if they want to learn more?
For more information on Architessa, please feel free to reach out to us on our website at architessa.com, or you can find me on Instagram at DC Tile Guy.
If you're ready to start designing the custom home of your dreams, reach out to us at AV Architects Plus Builders. Visit our website at avarchitectsbuild.com or call us at 703-865-5065. We'd love to help bring your vision to life. Thank you for watching.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.